Here's a 2021 Audi S5 Sportback, crafted to provoke emotion and maybe even a little envy in every person you drive by. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: automatic transmission, automatic with driver control suspension management, engine auto stop-start feature, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, streaming audio, inductive device charging, dual zone climate control, external memory control, heated steering wheel, doors and push-button start proximity key, and intercooled turbo V6 engine. Revolutionary engineering, progressive design, Audi. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.